Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Jay's Vlog 786. I'm Maya, and today I have a really exciting story to share with you.
Hey, I'm Jack, and yes, today is a special day. Maya, I heard you did something crazy last week. Is it true?
Yes, it's true. I did something a little crazy, but I think you're going to love this story.
Okay, I can't wait. Tell us, what did you do?
I spoke only English for 7 days straight. No Arabic, no Spanish, no other language, just English. Every hour, every day, for one whole week.
What? Only English for 7 days? That's wow. I have so many questions.
Yes, and today I'm going to share everything. What was easy, what was hard, and what happened to my brain on day 3. That part is really interesting.
Oh, day three. Okay, I'm listening. Everyone listening at home, you're going to want to hear this.
Okay, so first, let me explain the challenge. The rule was simple. Every time I opened my mouth, I had to speak English. Only English. At the shop, at home, with friends, on the phone, everywhere.
But Maya, what does straight mean? You said 7 days straight. What does that mean?
Good question. Straight here means without stopping, without a break. So 7 days straight means 7 days in a row, one after the other, no days off.
Oh, so 7 days straight is like 7 days, no break, no rest, just English every single day.
Exactly, you got it. And there's another important phrase today, immersion. Immersion. Immersion means you put yourself inside the language. You live inside the English world completely.
Immersion, like when you put a tea bag in hot water, the tea goes all the way in.
Yes, I love that example, Jack. Perfect. You put yourself in the language. You go all the way in. That's immersion.
Okay, Maya, tell us. Day one, what happened? Was it easy?
Day 1 was okay, actually. I was excited. I woke up and I said to myself, okay, Maya, only English today. And I felt confident. I listened to English music. I watched English videos. I talked to myself in English in the mirror.
You talk to yourself in the mirror. That's funny. What did you say?
Things like, good morning, Maya. Today is a great day. You are doing well. Simple things, but it felt good.
Nice. Okay, and day two?
Day 2 was harder. I went to the shop, and the man at the shop spoke to me in my language, and I almost answered in my language. I felt the words come up in my throat, but I stopped. I took a breath, and I said in English, sorry, can you help me, please? I'm looking for bread.
Oh, wow. That sounds really hard. Like your brain just wants to use the easy language, right?
Exactly. And that's really important for our listeners. Your brain always wants to take the easy road. It knows your first language, it's comfortable there. But if you push through that feeling, something amazing happens.
Let's show the listeners. Maya, let's do a little role play. I'll be the shop man, you be you on day two, okay?
Perfect. Let's go.
Hello, can I help you today?
Oh, yes, please. I'm looking for bread. Do you have it?
Yes, it's over there on the left shelf.
Thank you so much. I'm also looking for milk. Where is the milk, please?
The milk is near the back. Follow me, I'll show you.
Oh, thank you. You're very kind.
Ha, and scene. Maya, that was so natural. You didn't sound nervous at all.
Well, now I don't, but on day 2, my heart was beating fast, I can tell you that.
Okay, now I really want to know. Day three. You said something strange happened to your brain. What was it?
Okay, so on day 3, something really interesting happened. I woke up in the morning and I had a dream the night before, and in the dream, I was speaking English without thinking, without trying, just naturally.
No way. You dreamed in English.
Yes, and language teachers actually say this is a really good sign. When you start to dream in a language, your brain is starting to accept it, to live in it.
Wow, so your brain was working even when you were sleeping? It was practicing English while you slept.
Exactly. And that's the power of immersion. When you use a language all day, every day, your brain starts to organize it differently. It stops treating English like a foreign thing. It starts treating it like a normal thing.
That is honestly amazing, Maya. So, what about the rest of the week? Days 4, 5, 6, 7?
Each day got a little easier. By day 5, I was thinking in English before I spoke, not translating from my language, just thinking in English directly. And by day 7, I felt free, like a door opened in my head.
A door opened in your head. Ugh, I love that. That sounds incredible.
Let's do another example. This time, I'm talking to my friend. Jack, you be my friend who's a little confused about my challenge.
Perfect. I can do confused. Hey, Maya, how are you? I haven't seen you in days.
I'm good, really good actually. I'm doing my English challenge, only English this week, remember?
Oh, right. That's still going on. Is it hard?
It was hard at the start, but now it feels normal. I'm actually thinking in English now. It's like my brain switched.
Your brain switched. Wow, I want that. How do I start?
Just try one day first. Only English for one day, no native language. You'll be surprised how fast you improve.
Okay, I'll try it. Thank you, Maya.
And scene. You see how natural that is? You can have that exact conversation. You can be the Maya in that dialogue.
I love that. So simple, so real. I think our listeners can actually do this challenge.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. Maya, what were the big lessons from your 7-day English challenge? Great idea. Here are the main things I want you to remember today. 1. Straight means without stopping. 7 days straight means 7 days in a row, no break. 2. Immersion means living completely inside the language, like a tea bag in hot water. You go all the way in. 3. Day 1 is exciting, day 2 is hard, day 3 is where the magic starts. Your brain begins to change. 4. When you dream in English, your brain is accepting the language. It's a very good sign. 5. You don't need 7 days to start. Try one day, just one day of English only. You'll be surprised how fast you improve.
I love all of that. And honestly, I want to try the challenge now too. One day, English only. I'm going to do it.
Yes, do it, Jack. And everyone listening at home, try it too. Just one day. Tell us how it goes in the comments.
And that's our episode for today. Thank you so much for listening. You're already doing something amazing just by being here. Keep going.
Yes, remember, every day is one step forward. Some days are hard. That's okay. The important thing is you keep trying. You keep showing up, just like you did today.
If you like this episode, please share it with a friend who is learning English. It would mean so much to us here at Jay's Vlog 786.
See you next time, everyone. Take care, be kind to yourself, and remember, your brain is stronger than you think. Bye-bye.